day 2 update. We made $1,400 day 2, and then I'll post here somewhere the expenses and what I actually got paid out. But yeah, sorry for the late. It's a late day 2 update. We got stuck in DC, and then my brother and I got on a conversation about consistency, so which I'm trying to do for myself, stay consistent, and in everything in life, right? I guess that's what all we can do, right? Just try. So I'm trying to stay consistent in these videos, trying to be consistent in every aspect of my life, but sometimes it can get overwhelming and tiring. But anyways, part 3 or day 3, I guess we'll see how much we would make. Like I said, we had to drive to Pittsburgh. We took a partial, so I guess tomorrow I'll give you an update.